Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, your destination for helpful tutorials and tips. Today I'll guide you through the process of logging into Uber Eats for businesses, also known as Firmen login. If you are managing food orders for your company or organization, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. In address bar, type firmen.ubereats.com and hit enter. You will arrive at Uber Eats for Business login page. Here you will need to input your company's email address and password to access the account. Enter your company email address in the provided field, then type in your password. Ensure both are entered accurately to avoid login issues. Once you have filled in required information, click on Login button below. This will initiate the login process and grant you access to your company's Uber Eats account. If you encounter any issues logging in, don't worry, you can always click on Forget Password. Link to reset your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to regain access. After successful login, you will be directed to your company's Uber Eats dashboard. Here you can manage food orders, track expenses, and access other business-related features. That's it. You are now logged into Uber Eats for Business. It's a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently handle food orders for your company or organization. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the Firmen login process on Uber Eats. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.